We would like to invite a person on stage who has truly been the force behind Talent Track. You all know him, you've met him, you've seen him, you see how hardworking he is. He truly has a lot of creativity in his blood. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the founder and CEO of Talent Track. His first company, Magnon, was founded when he was just 22 and now has become one of the largest digital agencies in India. He is the pillar of strength of Talent Track. He was the CEO of TBWA India, which made him the youngest CEO to lead an MNC ad agency. He's won several awards, and I must say all of them are very prestigious ones. To begin with, he's won the award, the Asia Pacific Entrepreneurship Award, the CNBC TV Mercedes-Benz Young Turks Award, and he's been listed amongst the 100 most influential people in digital industry. This is just to name a few. He's recently won the award and Entrepreneur of the Year for Talent Track. He has authored 3 best-selling management books already. So ladies and gentlemen, let's hear a loud round of applause for none other than Mr. Vineet Bajpai. You know, we could have gone on and on about his accomplishments, but I had to cut it down. Welcome, Vineet. Over to you.
Thank you, Sonali. And you're looking great, by the way, like you always do.
Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a very special day for Talent Track for a couple of reasons. Like Sonali said, it's been just 15 months. I remember about 15 months ago, or maybe about 18 months ago, I was having, at that time I was leading the TBWA group in India as CEO. And I remember, but you know, like they say, once an entrepreneur, always an entrepreneur. So I'd started my life as an entrepreneur, and while I was leading TBWA, I was still very, very excited about getting into the digital content and into the digital space, into the media and entertainment industry specifically. And I remember having dinner with my brother, Varun Bajpai, who's the managing director of JM Financial. And I shared this idea with him, and I said, Bhaiya, this is what I want to do. And the shark of an investment banker that he is, he said, I think you should go for it. I think it's a brilliant, brilliant idea. And that's how it all began. And it was, like Sonali said, it was just about 15 months ago that we really got Talent Track out there in the market. Like I said, it's a special day. You know, when we started Talent Track, a lot of people told us that you're getting into a very harsh industry. It's an industry which is really, really shut down to outsiders and, you know, the filmmakers and the production houses and the media and entertainment industry. It's all very, very tight and you won't be able to get in. It's a 103-year-old industry working in very, very conventional ways. But we faced none of that. And I think in 15 months' time, we've been absolutely embraced by the industry. And from, you know, from every side. So like Sonali said, you know, in a short span of 15 months, today we are here with more than 125,000 artists trusting us as their career partners. Like she said, you know, they represent more than 900 towns and cities of India. So that should tell you that in such a short span of time, Talent Track has actually been able to, you know, make a difference, penetrate every nook and corner of the country. And I think it is, you know, every idea has its own time. Every idea has its own, you know, preparedness of the market for it to flourish. And I remember we participated in, you know, during our promotions, we went to lots of media and entertainment events, and we went to the National School of Drama for their 2-week-long festival. I think it's called Bharat Rangmanch. And we were at the Indiewood Film Festival at Hyderabad, at the Ramoji Film City. And I cannot tell you how much love we got from artists who came and embraced us and said, guys, where were you? This was something this industry really, really needed. And I think they were able to appreciate that Talent Track is an effort to democratize this industry, which has so far been working on very, very traditional, very, very conventional, very, very, I would say, you know, biased, in biased structures. And here we are, you know, to change that. Of course, we have 125,000 artists with us. I also must share with you that the platform is growing by more than 400 artists joining us every single day. And it's not just about artists. I remember when about 6 to 8 months ago, I had the opportunity to meet Uday in his office, Uday Sodhi, you know, from Sony, the digital icon that we have sitting amongst us. And I went to him, for mentorship. And he gave me a brilliant, piece of advice. And Uday, we've stuck to that advice, over all these months. And he said that, Vineet, if you're going to invest, get the recruiter side on board first. Because artists will follow. Artists are looking for value. Artists are looking for opportunities. And if you're able to get the industry on board, that is really going to be key to your success. And I can say this with a huge amount of pride that it's not just artists. We've got tremendous support from the industry. As I stand here in front of you today, we've got more than 3,000 industry recruiters registered, active on our platform, recruiting using the TalentTrack mobile app and the TalentTrack website. And the numbers are growing. So today, I think, my team is here, and we are very proud to say that we process more than 75,000 audition and job applications every month on our platform. And the way we are growing, we are committed to making this number reach 1 million by the end of this year. So by the end of this year, we should be processing more than 1 million audition and job applications on our platform. So it's been a great ride. It's been, great 15 months. Of course, there were ups and downs. Of course, there were challenges. We had to realign ourselves several times because, we were newcomers to the industry. But it's been an absolutely, gratifying exercise. For those of you who are not really completely aware of, what TalentTrack is, if you allow me, we'll just play a 90-second clip. And that should give you an idea of who we are, and what we are trying to do. Can we have the clip, please?
Any artist or talent can create a portfolio on TalentTrack. It's easy and free. To promote your profile and increase your chances of getting jobs and audition calls, you can upgrade and become a premium member. Here's why you should consider upgrading to a premium membership. TalentTrack is accessed by thousands of industry recruiters, such as production houses, TV channels, ad agencies, casting agents, filmmakers, modeling agencies, music companies, and event managers. These employers are always looking for talent and post hundreds of jobs on TalentTrack. Every job that is posted on TalentTrack by these recruiters usually attracts a few hundred applications. As a premium member, you get better visibility and superior chances to bag jobs and assignments. As a premium member, you get a personalized domain and website on TalentTrack, which will serve as your very own professional web address. So no need to send heavy photos, videos, or portfolios to recruiters over emails. The team at TalentTrack will also promote premium members across its web, mobile, and social media platforms. Talent managers at TalentTrack will also work directly with thousands of industry recruiters to promote premium members. So stay ahead of the others and get noticed by industry recruiters. Make TalentTrack your partner in your journey towards stardom.
Thank you. So as simple as that. That's how simple our offering is. And we truly believe, we have deep conviction that this offering is going to change the way hiring and talent management is done in the media and entertainment and creative industries. And just to give you, testimony to to the way the industry is accepting us, apart from the 3,000 recruiters I mentioned, we are also working with big names today. We were the official partners for The Voice Season 2, working with Endemol Shine. We worked with Dil Hai Hindustani with Star Plus. Once again, we were the talent partners there. And very recently, just last week, we've been signed on as the official talent partners for the biggest pageant in the country, which is Femina Miss India. So the idea is that from the biggest of recruiters like Star Plus and the Times Group and all the big channels and big networks, right down to that small casting coordinator who's sitting somewhere in Bhopal, somewhere in Jaipur, who wants 5 dancers for one event in the evening, who wants one model for a small ad that he wants to do for a Ayurvedic toothpaste. I think we are addressing the entire bandwidth, and that is where our strength lies. And which is where TalentTrack Awards come in, because we feel that the way talent management is moving and the way the churn of talent is happening, it has been accelerated because of digital content. There were times when actors would get one role and then they would keep shooting for 6 months and 12 months on that role. But today I know actors, we all know actors, models, singers, performers of all kinds, who are getting into 7 projects, 10 projects, 20 projects in a year. And that makes the need for a platform like TalentTrack even more compelling. And for us at TalentTrack, you know, at the team, we have great amount of conviction on digital content. We really feel that digital content is the future. It is going to outperform perhaps even television one time. Who can, you know, the boundaries are anyway blurring. And, you know, any other form of content consumption. Whether it's branded content, whether it's social content, whether it's entertainment content, I think digital content is the future. And which is where, you know, TalentTrack Awards were envisioned. This is going to be an annual franchise, and we hope to get the support we've got this year, you know, manifold in the years that come. But the important thing here is that we are believers in digital content, and there is something that TalentTrack is doing apart from just being an aggregator of artists, apart from just being a recruitment engine. Of course, that continues to be our primary business. But there is something, there's another value addition we are trying to do to the digital content industry. We all know digital content is, you know, the consumption of digital content or content has become digital. You know, publishing of content, distribution of content, everything has gone digital, except for the production process. The production process continues to be conventional. We are still, you know, studios, we are still doing shootings, we are still doing everything the way it used to be done. And which is where at TalentTrack, and we feel that we are the only ones who can do this because of the kind of aggregation we have on both the artist side as well as the industry side. We are building India's first collaborative online platform for digital content production, which basically means that if you're a filmmaker, if you're an ad agency, if you're a small documentary film producer, you know, you're an event company, anybody can come on TalentTrack, create a project, fulfill that project on our platform. So if there's a filmmaker who's trying to do a project, he can find actors, models, singers, dancers, studios, technicians, photographers, cameramen, every resource on TalentTrack. And with this, we hope, we've seen these kind of examples in the IT industry. If some of you know what companies like Elance have done and how they've changed, you know, that industry in a major way. That's precisely what we intend to do in the digital content industry, to make TalentTrack a resource not just for job seekers and recruiters, but for the industry per se. We are going to be launching this platform somewhere in April this year. Manishi, am I right? I hope we'll do this. Kar denge na yaar? With this, I'd just like to introduce all of you to the co-founder of TalentTrack and to the head of technology of the company, Manishi Singh. Manishi, would you please stand up and be recognized? So while I do all the talking, Manishi does all the working. And he's really the tech vision and the tech brain behind whatever we are doing. He's an ex-IITian. He's a master's from the Pennsylvania State University. He's spent 8 years as a senior tech architect with many IT companies. And here he is with us today as a partner. So anyway, I think I've spoken enough. I'm really, really grateful to all of you, you know, for your time and for being here. All the luminaries who have agreed to be on this panel. It's a huge amount of encouragement. Just your presence means so much to us. And thank you everybody else. I hope you have a wonderful evening. We have some great performances in store. You know, we should have some very, you know, some exciting people coming into this hall. And of course, we'll follow it up with cocktails and dinner. So I hope you'll all stay. I hope you all have a good time. Thank you very much.